everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to start making an application together. It is actually the first video of a series because I don't think I can wrap it all in only one video or the video will be too long. So there will be like a series of videos. And yeah, this series of videos are not in a step-by-step tutorial to like how we build an application. It's more like me documenting this whole process from getting an idea to planning it and then coding and at the end having the final results. So by the end of this series, we're going to have an MVP application of the idea I am going to tell you just now. So let's go. So here's how it all started. Whenever we want to go on a trip, um, camping or I don't know, a picnic or whatever, we always forget about something. And most of the times it's something really small, like salt, I don't know. And at the end of the day, it ends up to be a really, really useful and important thing. So I wanted to solve this problem by making a checklist in my Google Sheets. So every time we want to go out, I just check things out. But then I was like, why not make it an app, something lightweight, something useful and handy? And that would be nice. So here's the idea. We talked about the idea. Now it's time to plan the application, like how we are going to actually code. We're going to plan the structure of the application. Here's I wrote down things we need, like features and other things. I don't know if it's good. Let me see. Yeah, it's good. So save it for yourself because I'm going to sit. I cannot stand that much. So we're going to have templates and checklists. The templates are like about a situation, a template for a trip, a special kind of picnic, or I don't know, for moving abroad, things like that. So each template can be used to make a checklist. There are some, like ready templates, which the user can search among them and use them as checklists, as I said. And the user can add her or his own template too. For example, if you searched in the templates and you couldn't find what you wanted, you can just add your own version. And there's a checklist, like the key feature of this application. You can add items. You can check items. You cannot add items. You can check items or uncheck them, and there will be a progress bar that will show you how far you have gone, and you can mm, finish the checklist. For example, after checking all the things, there will be a button which says, "Do you want to end this checklist or something like that?" I don't know, finish, just something like that. And then after you press it, that checklist will go to the archive checklist. It will be archived. So our application will have a button navigation bar with 3 items: checklists, templates, and archives. That's all. So for the design, I searched in Pinterest and Drib, and I found a design that it's really cute and it's what I want to like have in our application, but it's not going to be the exact thing I'm going to show you. Something like this. It's so cute. Oh, I don't know what to do. He sees it. He makes so random noises. But okay, that's cute, right? So we're going to have something like this. As I said, not exactly like this because first of all, this is an application for itself. I'm not going to duplicate another application. And also, we have different, like things and components. We need different things. But it's going to be kind of like this. Yeah.
I heard you talk in your sleep, living through dreams I could never repeat. the smile on your face. It hurts that it's something I'll never achieve. You say destiny always seem make believe, but I know that we're destined to fall. 'Cause honestly, you deserve everything that I'm not. Oh, someday I know you come to your senses and leave me alone with all of my questions. Oh, I don't have the answer, I can't give you more. I know that you'll never be mine, but I'll always be yours.
So now I am here to show you what I have done so far. And it's one of the features of the app, templates. There's still one other feature left, which is the checklist, some, like small details. It would need some debuggings. I mean, for sure, it will be some little bugs. And I should add English support to the application too, which will be in the setting of the application. I have done nothing for it. Eh, and yep, just that. So right now, I will be showing you the application, what I have done so far, and I will put it here because I mean, you won't see anything down here, and I am recording my. Let me record it first. Um. Oh, that was just a screenshot. Screen recorder. So yeah, this starts. First of the app, as you can see, there's templates. I'm so sorry, it's in Persian, and if you're not Persian, you won't understand. I will add English support in the next, like video. I'll make sure. But this page is the templates. And first of all, you can see, some default templates for your checklist. For example, I don't know, just a picnic, a trip to, like an island, and immigration, like checklist, what you should put in your baggage and things like that, luggage and things like that. Then there's a user-defined templates, which are, like you can add a template of your own. It's not really beautiful. I'm so sorry. You can add, like a title, blah 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 blah. You can add in description, blah 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 blah, and you can add a picture if you want, and you can add items and blah 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 blah. I think we'll be fine with just it. And then yeah, just that. So far, just this. Like searching in a template is not available for now, and just we just have this whole thing. Yeah, and these two other things are not completed yet. Yep, that was all. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe my YouTube channel if you want to see how this like application will turn out. And thank you for watching till now. Bye.